Historically, Rice Computer Science has been known for its research in computer systems. This includes things like programming systems, high-performance computing, and operating systems. And in the last few years, we've really emphasized an investment in AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Currently, we have around 30 tenured and tenure-track faculty at Rice and another 15 or so teaching faculty. The result of having a lot of new faculty is that they're very young, they're energetic, and they're doing cutting-edge work. One of the most unique aspects of Rice is that it's located literally across the street from the Texas Medical Center, which is the largest medical center in the world. And our proximity to the medical center informs a lot of our research. Our graduates end up at some of the most important prestigious tech companies, including places like Microsoft, Google, OpenAI. Our PhD grads end up at some of the most prestigious academic institutions in the world. Houston is a wonderful city. We have people from around the world who live in Houston. One of the great aspects of Rice is that it's small, and so there's an intimate atmosphere. You'll have a great relationship with your peers and your faculty members.